back. Happy New Year. First job of the year is this Aston Martin Vantage. Customers had a bit of a, should we say, an interest around the vehicle at 3 o'clock in the morning. Desperate to get it done, so we're back early in the new year to get this vehicle secured. And what a flex. Aston Martin Vantage, first job of the year, is absolutely stunning. We've done the Track Manager S5 tracking system, and we've also done the CAN immo immobiliser, which is no pin code, no drive. Let me give you a quick little demonstration. So this vehicle will start and run. If you watch as we try and select a gear, it stays back in park. You cannot select gear. So if you watch the dashboard, I'll enter the customer's demo code. We've got a flash there of the main beam. Now when we select gear, back into park, and we're all good to drive away. Switch the vehicle off, and this one doesn't arm till we exit the vehicle, so it's a little bit more convenient than other immobilisers. As we open the door, flash there of the main beam, we're now fully arm protected. So start it again, try and select gear, nothing at all. So we enter our codes, flash of the main beam, and away we go. So this is the Aston Martin Vantage, in for the CAN immo, pin code immobiliser, Track Manager S7 tracker, no tag, no start, no pin, no drive. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Lit Car Security, 0333 012 9028.
That thing, miss, and I better shake that thing, yeah, no.